Hi, this is Curt and welcome to another edition of Fire Law Roundup.
And nothing hugely exciting, but certainly interesting. Wisconsin.
Hi, I'm the editor for these videos. Just a quick note here. Chief Pinsky meant to say Minnesota, not Wisconsin. But anyways, thank you for watching and for making the show possible. We could not do it without you. Now back to our regular scheduled programming. Take it away, Chief.
City is going to pay 5 firefighters. They eliminated their positions 7 years ago, I think, in July of 15. They eliminated the 5 firefighter positions to go to a paid-on-call system, and they sued and they won under state law. So in 19, actually, Minnesota, they settled here, but the Minnesota Supreme Court in 2019 concluded that the city did violate the state law. They sent the case back to trial for further proceedings, further questions, and then the county district court found again in favor of the firefighters, I think without trial because it was summary judgment, and they concluded that the firefighters were entitled to reinstatement and an award on damages. Here, then, they then settled. The firefighters said, okay, fine, we don't want reinstatement. Frankly, they've probably been working other jobs. I don't know that. I really don't. But
we covered one a couple of weeks ago where the guy got laid off and he ended up making more, probably swinging a hammer. He made more as a carpenter than he did as a firefighter. But
and they still had to pay him.
Yeah, they still had to pay it, right?
Yeah. So, and I think that would be this too, as well. But the firefighters agreed not to be reinstated as part of the settlement, which is fine. Why would they want to be reinstated, you know, after all this time or not? Who knows? But they probably have other jobs. But I don't know. We'd love to hear from you if you do, if you're one of the firefighters. But in any event, so the part that I found most interesting about this, it has nothing to do with this case. It took 7 years, and I got to tell you, when people are talking about suing, I mean, look, we just had a trial. My wife just had a trial on my wife's motorcycle accident that happened 7 years ago. It just went to trial. I just was last week in depositions in the Bronx, and the incident happened in 7 years ago, and we're just getting to depositions, right? So if people think lawsuits are fast, they are not. And they, both on the plaintiff, defendant, the witnesses, these are horrible. They go on forever, but sometimes you end up with almost $4 million to split between 5 of you and your attorney, who probably gets a third here. Or maybe there's a separate fee for the attorney, right? Like under an FLSA type thing. I didn't see that either way, but in any event, the point I took away from this as an aside was just, boy, this stuff takes a long time to get resolved. And it does.
The wheels of justice turn slowly.
They do. And
especially in state
stuff.
court.
Yeah. So, okay, that's our great show. That's our show. I hope people are enjoying this, and we'll tell your friends to subscribe, and let's get us up to 1,000 subscribers. That would be pretty cool.
That's really our next goal. So, I mean, if you can help us out, please click like. Assuming that you like what you hear, please click like. Please subscribe and please help us grow. We'd love to keep doing this. Okay, absolutely. And that's going to do it for another edition of Fire Law Roundup.